Hello, Alexander here once more. Uh, Chapter 14, the bonds. I decided just to do a big problem. Isn't always the best idea because it focuses too broadly on everything. I decided to do 4 smaller problems, practice exercises. Because I remember a teacher doing doing this where she would give out a lot more problems but smaller ones, because that way you'd focus in on a certain aspect instead of trying to take on a big problem that you might get lost in. This is a better way to do it. It's also applied to if you're learning Tai Chi. In Tai Chi, it's better to learn one move and master it before moving on to the next than to try to do a bunch of different moves and be bad at them all. So here's practice exercise 14.2a. This is issuing bonds at a discount. So the bond is worth $4 million. It's 10% interest, and it's a 10-year bond. Now, the market interest is, because let's say the market is 11%, we're actually getting less cash. So we're issuing this bond at a discount. So we put it on as $4 million as a credit because that's what we owe, but we're only getting cash of $3,760,992 because the interest that we're paying is less than the market. Let's say 11, and so we have a discount of $239,078, and then so that's the entry for discount. Now the next one is how you amortize it, which I thought was important. So it comes around, it's June 31st. We issued this at the beginning of the year, the bond. So I did the calculation. Interest, $4 million times 10% times 1/2 equals $200,000 interest payment. The discount is $239,078 divided by 10 years, divided by how many interest payments a year we do, equals 11,953.5. It depends on your teacher of how you round. Just round up if you feel as you must. So you debit the interest payment, the cash, for $200,000 because that's what's going at the door. But you also have to credit the bond discount for the amount that we're amortizing for that payment, which ends up increasing our interest payment to $211,954. So that's how discounts raise your interest. Excuse me. Now for the issuing bonds at a premium. Remember, now we're paying more interest. So this is a 9%. This is a 5-year 9% interest bond, and let's say a 8% interest market. So we're getting it's worth $2 million. So we put it on as $2 million as a credit, bond payable $2 million, but we actually received cash-wise $2,166,332, and it'll actually give you the amount in the book. In more intermediate books, it will actually have you use a table to figure out the amount of cash you received, and so the premium is the difference. And then for the next one is how we amortize that premium. So here's the math behind it. So the premium is you take the 166,332 divided by 5 years, divided by 2, which is the interest payments, equals that's how much we're amortizing. And then the interest is just the face times the interest rate times half. So we know our cash going out the door is $90,000. Cash credited $90,000, but we debit the interest expense is not $90,000. It's $90 minus the premium we figured out. See how it's different? $90 minus $16,633 is $73,367. So it actually brought our interest down. So premiums bring your interest down. So that is just what I wanted to show you on how you do discounts and premiums. I thought that's usually the biggest people have the biggest problem with. So thank you, and hope this helps. Please comment, ask questions if you must, like, and subscribe if you would. Thank you. Bye.